Hello, welcome to this session for revision of chapter called as comparing quantities. For grade 7, this chapter, comparing quantities, is an important chapter, and it is said that the chapter named comparing quantities is also there in grade 8 as well. Although there will be some other things there, but the chapter comparing quantities is an important chapter for grade 7. So without wasting any time, we'll just see what is there in that. We'll take some problems and we'll revise accordingly. Convert the given fraction into percentages. Now this is, you're lucky if you get this kind of question in the examination. We'll just convert this quickly. Yeah, 2 by 5 is equal to 2 upon 5, write it as it is, and then simply write multiplied by 100. Now somebody says, how can I multiply by 100? We are not multiplying by 100. We are multiplying by 100 and we are dividing by 100 as well. But we have not written denominator here, but I have written percentage. Percent का मतलब ये होता है percent is we are dividing by 100 per 100. So when you write percent, it means upon 100 anyway. So you write 2 by 5 into 100%. The division, it becomes 40%. This one 5 by 8 is equal to 5 upon 8 into 100%. Is equal to, you can divide by 4 here, it will get 2 here, 25, 125, 5 into 25 is 125, upon 2 is 62.5%. 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 into 100% is equal to 25%. Like I said, you'll be lucky if you get these kind of questions. Next, convert into percentage, but this time it will be, the questions are in decimal. I'll just write the answer, there is nothing to do here. This is equal to 7.75 into 100, just multiply by 100%. So this is 75%. 0.006 into 100% is equal to 0.6%. 3.25 into 100% is equal to 325%. The next question will be, convert into fractions and decimals. So whatever be the number in percentages, convert them into fractions and decimals. Let's see this quickly. 80% is equal to 80. Like I said, the meaning of the word percent itself is per 100 divided by 100. 80 upon 100. So this is equal to 8 by 10 is also equal to 4 by 5. So this is the simplest form of the fraction. And 8 by 10 is also equal to 0.8 in decimal. So we get the fractions and decimal both of this. 2% I do the same, this is equal to 2 by 100 is equal to 1 by 50. This is good for fraction. For decimal, 2 by 100 is equal to 0.02. 1250% is equal to 1250 upon 100. That is equal to 125 upon 10 is equal to 25 by 2. And in decimal form it will be 12.5. You don't have to divide here, you can just divide by 100, decimal point get 12.5. So you'll get the answer 12.5. This is what the first few problems in the exercise are, very simple. Now let's see this one. This is not difficult as well. A survey of 40 children shows that 25% like playing football. How many children liked playing football? 25% is not number. They are asking how many children is a number and how many did not like playing football. Let's see this. So we know 25% like playing football. So this is equal to 25% of how many? 40 children. So 25% of 40 is 25 upon 100 into 40. That is equal to 10 students. So 10 students like to play football. How many do not like or did not like? So not like students, or the students who did not like would be like total is 40 and subtract 10 is equal to 30 students do not like to play football. The next problem. Meeta saves rupees 8,000 from her salary. If this is her 10% of the salary, what is her salary? There are many ways to solve this problem, but we'll go with the simplest one possible. Let Meeta's salary be X. So we'll write 10% of her salary. So 10% of X is equal to, salary is X, so 10% of X is equal to 8,000 rupees. I hope you understand this. What is given is 8,000 is being saved, and this 8,000 rupees is 10% of her salary. So 10% of salary, 10% of X is equal to 8,000. So 10 by 100 into X. Ten gets multiplied, X is equal to 80,000. Sometimes students do it this way, that she is saving 10% and that 10% is 8,000 rupees. So she spends 90%. And that 90% spending will be 9 times this, so this is 72,000. And the total will be 100%, the total of this will be 80,000. So the total salary is 80,000 rupees. Whichever way you want to solve, this is better mathematically, but this is not wrong as well. Whichever way you solve, you'll get the same answer. A shopkeeper gives a discount of 15% on the mark price, 2,000. Find the selling price. The mark price is 2,000 rupees. So if the mark price is 2,000 rupees, the selling price, let's find out the discount first. So the discount in terms of rupees, we know the discount in terms of percentage, but in actual amount we are not figured out. So the discount will be 15% of 2,000. Two zeros gone, 15 into 20 is 300 rupees. So 300 rupees of discount. The selling price is equal to mark price plus profit, but there is no profit in this case. So write minus loss. This is very interesting formula. The formula remains same. Instead of loss, if there is profit, the profit is positive. So write plus profit. Loss is negative, write minus loss. The formula remains same. SP is equal to MP minus loss. MP is 2000. Minus loss will be 300. This is equal to 1700 rupees. The next problem. A table marked at rupees 5,000 is sold at 4,500. Find the discount and the discount percentage. It's rather great. The same kind of problem, very simple, not much to worry about. MP is 5,000 rupees, selling price SP is equal to 4,500. Discount or loss is equal to MP minus SP, which is equal to 500 rupees. 5,000 minus 45. So you subtract and you get 500 rupees. Percentage discount is equal to actual discount upon MP or cost price, mark price or cost price, MP or CP, multiplied by 100%. That is equal to 500 upon 5,000 into 100%. 1010 gone. This 10 is gone. 5 gone. So this is like 10%. So 10% discount was given. The total discount offered was rupees 500, and in terms of percentage, the discount came out to be 10%. I hope there is no problem with this. Let's solve the next problem. Find the amount to be paid for a refrigerator with a marked price of 15,000 and a discount of 20%. So MP is equal to 15,000 and the discount will be 20% of MP, mark price, is equal to 20 by 100 into MP, which is equal to 20 upon 100 into 15,000. into 2 is 3,000 rupees. So the discount would be 3,000 rupees. So yeah, okay. So the selling price will be mark price minus discount. What's happening to the board? Okay. Okay, there's some technical error. So we'll write MP. The answer will be selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. So 15,000 minus 3,000. The answer will be 12,000 rupees. The population of city decreases from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. I am only anticipating the technical error. So we'll just solve it orally. I'll tell you what to do. The decrease of population will be initial population minus final population. So 25,000 minus 24,500. So the decrease in population is 500. 500 is the net decrease, but we are asked about the percentage decrease. Percentage decrease is equal to decrease upon original value into 100. So what will we get? The decrease upon original value. Let's try decrease upon original value into 100% is equal to percentage decrease. The decrease will be 500 upon 25,000 into 100. 1010 50 upon 25 is equal to 2%. So the population is decreased by 2%. The next problem. Because of a technical error, the last two problems were not recorded, so I am recording it now. We'll just resume. What rate gives 280 rupees as interest on a sum of 56,000 in 2 years? Now, if you note this problem, the problem is giving us everything. The problem is giving us the value of interest I is equal to 280 rupees. This is being given. The sum, that is principal amount, is 56,000. That is given. Time is equal to 2 years is already given. Rate is asked. Interest is equal to PRT upon 100. 280 into 2 is 56,000. 2 into 100 is 200. 100 into 2 is 200. 2 into 100 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 P is 56,000 into rate of interest, I don't know what is rate, and T is 2 upon 100 is equal to 280 rupees. These two zeros and these two zeros are cancelled. So we have 280 is equal to 560 into 2 into R. Don't multiply this 560 into 2 because division will be easy when you don't multiply. So you write R is equal to 280 upon 560 into 2. 0 gets cancelled. 28 2s are 56. 28 1, 28 2. This is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25%. This kind of rate of interest is almost impossible in everyday life. But if supposedly somebody is taking the money, is borrowing money and using it for a very noble cause. For example, somebody is borrowing the money and trying to feed the infants, or he's trying to give the money, using that money he'll run a old age home. Then the people who have a lot of money, they see this to be a vision and they see a social service. So they say we'll charge the minimum rate of interest. In that situation, the rate of interest is so low. Otherwise, no bank or no other man will charge the rate of interest to be so low. But the low rate of interest indicated it was for the different cause altogether. Anyway, we got the answer. The answer is right. We'll continue for the last problem. I think this is the next one is the last problem. Yeah. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. The first case I'll solve, second case you will solve. That's homework. So I'll solve A. I is equal to PRT upon 100. That is equal to P is 1200 into rate of interest is 12 into T time is 3 years upon 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 12 into 3. 144 into 3. That is equal to 4 3s are 2, carries 1, 3 4s are 2, and 1 carries 3, carries 1 again, 3 1s are 3, only 4. This is rupees 432 is the interest. The amount is equal to P plus I, and P is equal to 1200 plus I is 432. That is equal to 1632 rupees. 1632 is the answer. Same you can apply here and you will get the answer for the answer question B as well. I hope you get this. I hope this helps. I hope you watch this video. If there is any difficulty, any problem, you can write in the comment section or message me. You have my number. Thank you very much and all the very best.